Right now on YouTube, there is a niche where shorts are gaining millions of views. An old man with a beard lives in a hut in the jungle with various exotic animals. He shows his hut from the inside, moving from one room with an incredible interior to another. All these videos are filmed without a face, and they are gaining 30, 40, and even 50 million views. Guys, really interesting news has appeared. If you follow AI video generation, then right now a noticeable shift in prices has occurred on the market. I looked at the current tariffs of different services, and if we talk exactly about Seedance 2.0, then Higgsfield right now has one of the strongest offers in terms of price to features ratio. And what is important, we are not talking about some stripped down tool, but about their flagship model, which gives a very powerful cinematic result. Against the background of competitors, the price difference looks really noticeable, especially if you regularly make content and do not want to drain extra money on generations. This is your real chance to make viral content with minimal investments. To access Seedance 2.0, you will need a business email address and a team subscription plan on Higgsfield. It is also worth noting that currently the service is unavailable in the US and Japan. Just keep this in mind. Now we will use the Seedance 2.0 model itself. This is a real breakthrough for AI video generation, especially if you need consistent characters and multi-shot AI video. That is, multi-frame narratives, like in those viral shorts. I will show you the entire workflow right here on the Higgsfield AI website, from prompt to final result. Let's finally start creating our video. We will be transforming our prompts into video, and I will show exactly how this is done correctly. Let's look at the interface. Here you can upload your references, photo, video, or audio. This is an excellent example of new generation text to video AI. I use video creation. Before I started, I prepared my character, an old man with a beard. Select our generated image. In Discover Presets, I will leave it as is. The scene duration can be from 4 to 15 seconds. I will set 8 seconds. I think this is perfect for dynamics. As for the aspect ratio, our video is vertical, therefore we choose 9 to 16. For quality, I recommend setting 1080p for the best result. You can create video without sound, but generation with sound, as a rule, greatly improves immersion. A small tip on prompts. They must be at a high level of quality. Describe the sequence in detail. Invent your story, atmosphere, and what exactly is happening in the frame. In this niche, much depends on your idea. I invented this script myself because every scene must be original. My first step is to create a scene in the jungle. A man with a beard in a hut, suddenly a large python appears, and the man closes the doors. We click Generate and wait a little. While the video is animating, I will emphasize once again, describe the idea thoroughly. This will give the best response from the neural network. Excellent, our first video is ready. Let's look. It looks simply amazing. Honestly speaking, Seedance 2.0 is one of the most advanced tools for video creation at the current moment. Be sure to download the result. The menu also allows us to regenerate the clip, change something, or share our work with the community. Now we generate the second scene. We paste the prompt. I will briefly tell my story. The bearded old man peeks out from his jungle hut through a round bamboo door. Suddenly, a large python appears. He safely closes the door and gently guides you into his home. With every open door, the viewer gets into a completely new room with a unique interior, and the joyful old man welcomes you in this hidden paradise. The second generation is ready, and it looks excellent. We write the third prompt and pass deep into the hut, along which our hero walks. Look at this lighting and smoothness. This is really impressive. Personally, I, as a creator, am very glad that Seedance 2.0 appeared. With this tool, you can work like a real professional. And what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. A small tip. Try to compose prompts so that the characters remain consistent. The elderly man should look the same in all scenes. At this point, I have practically finished generating the scenes. I only have a few scenes left in other different rooms. I got a total of 6 scenes. Make sure that you have downloaded all the generations of the rest of the rooms. Let's take a look at the final result with Seedance 2.0. Well, this looks incredible. The animation is smooth. The frame-by-frame sequence created using Higgsfield AI with Seedance 2.0 is simply amazing. All scenes are combined. The character remains unchanged, telling a unique story. You can go all the way from a simple idea to a full-fledged short film. If you want to try it yourself, follow my link in the first lines of the description and get Seedance 2.0 with a discount of up to 70%. Try different styles and ideas. Subscribe to the channel to stay on trend with neural networks, and definitely check out the pinned comment. See you soon.